All right, you guys, so what I want to explain really quick is this right here, EDT training. EDT stands for Escalating Density Training. It was made by my boy, Charles Staley right here. And as you can tell, it's going to give you ripped, jacked biceps only. No, I'm just kidding. But with this workout, you guys, this is absolutely amazing. So I want to do a quick rundown, quick recipe, if you will, of how you're going to knock this out and how it's going to end up working like incredibly well for getting you guys ripped and jacked. So first one, if we were to go into this, what you want to always do, and he has it set up in different ways, but I prefer it this way, is working the agonist muscle. So if I'm going to be working chest, the agonist muscle would be the muscle that's behind the lats. Or if I was going to be working the biceps, the agonist muscle would be the triceps. If you're working the abs, the agonist muscle, lower back. You're working the quads, hamstrings, calves, shins. So what we want to do is we're going to go through this really quick. For instance, normally you want to work with a weight. Since we do a lot of our own maxes, we want to work with a weight that's right around 65 to 70%. This would roughly be about a 10 rep weight. So for mine, 65% would put me right at 185. So I'd be using 185 on the bar. Now, how do you know? No, let me erase that. 185 on the bar. Now, we always want to be going for fives. You can go with 10s and 8s and all this other stuff, but fives really is the dope spot. Dope spot because you can still recover quite quickly. You can have a lot of force production on that 5 reps, and you can also get a high volume with this. That is the whole premise of this whole workout, is that you get to play with heavy weight, and at the same time too, you get to have a high volume, which is going to create more blood into the muscle, and that's going to end up giving you more hypertrophy, which is going to help you to get bigger pecs, things that you can shake for the caps, for them to not pull you over. 1A, 1B, this one, we're going to go with bench and bent over rows. 5 reps on each one. You can see I wrote a scale over here. 5s, 4s, 3s, 2s, and 1s, and I started to put some hash marks. The first hash mark would be that I completed 5 reps of bench, 5 reps of bent over rows. You can see I did that for 5 total reps. Now, I got into that. Now, what was started to happen on that 5th set is my bar speed wasn't this anymore, but my bar speed got to where I was like on my 3rd rep, all of a sudden I started to struggle to finish it, struggle to finish my last rep. I know it's time to go and drop my numbers. I don't want to drop my weight, but drop my numbers. If I drop to 4 reps on bench press, I have to drop to 4 reps on bent over rows. So now that I'm doing 4s, same thing. Good bar speed, good bar speed. On that 4th rep, struggled. I had gotten 6 sets at 4 reps. Now it's time to drop to 3s. So if I drop to 3s, bent over rows drops to 3s. You can see I got 2 sets there. And then I dropped to 2s, and I got 5 sets there, and 1s with 1 set. This gave me a grand total of 66 reps. When it comes to EDT training, the thing that's amazing about this is now that gets to transfer over to next week. Now next week on Monday, say you did the same thing. You had the same weight, 185 on bent over rows, and now my goal to see if I gotten stronger is to try to get 70 reps, 75 reps, maybe 80 reps. Something could have been happening that day. Something could have been in the water. I might not have had my Wheaties. I might not have had a great pre-workout. I don't know. But according to this, I did get stronger. It's very similar to how Jim Wendler has the 5-3-1 program set up. The 5-3-1 program is set up in the same type of a fashion to where you're not using maximum weights, but you're able to get more reps with a heavy weight. It's just going to give you the hypertrophy. You are going to get stronger, and you're going to be moving down the road. So you guys use this. This is absolutely amazing. This week especially, for those of you that are in the Docus group, this is going to be absolutely awesome because we want to do a deload week. This deload week is going to be good for the mind, good for the soul. It's going to help your body to recover from the heavy weight that we've been doing and make it so you can get back into the heavy weight again next week. So I love you guys. I hope this makes a lot of sense for you. And yeah, let's kick some ass and take some names. I love